There he is, Cavendish. Hey, Antonello, people.
Hi, I'm Antonello. I apologize for my English, but I came in London no 2 months, not so much. And we'd like to talk about Italy because we have strange things. In Italy, we spend much more research for Viagra than to cure Alzheimer. So in 30 years we will all have a hard dick, but we won't remember where to put it. What's strange about Italy, you know, we have the Pope. The Pope is our queen. Pope Francis is, because the Pope election is like our Oscar night. Yeah. And now the winner is Cardinal Bergoglio. During this first speech at the window, he got confused because he said, brother and sister, I would like to thank my director and also the script writer, the Holy Spirit. Without you, I would have never been here. Thank you. Because Pope Francis is starting to say that he wants to clean up the church and shut the Vatican Bank down. As soon as he said this, really immediately they started sending him outside on trip, taking the bulletproof windows of his car. It's true. They, in the Vatican, they already organized his next trip to Dallas because. You know, it's like this. But, you know, it's incredible the position of extreme Catholic about abortion, but I wonder, as myself, if extreme Catholic are worse than Muslim, terrorists of Muslim, because, for instance, the terrorists from Islam, they kill people at conference, in the museum, they attack satirical magazine, they, I think we should learn from them how to keep culture as a priority, because they destroy status, they do things like this. It's important that, you know, in Italy we have the Pope, we have the food, but basically we have great cooks, great lovers, and great mafia gangsters. Our perfect evening is like this. We invite a pretty girl for dinner at our place to cook for her our delicious food. Then we have some hot sex with her in the bedroom. Then we ask her to join us in a robbery. It's a problem because sometimes they don't want to have sex. For the robbery, no problem. In Italy we say, if you really love a woman, you steal a car with her. Because it's very romantic to steal a car together. And you know, Pope Francis, he starts saying, you know, Pope Catholic, they attack gay people. You know, also Dolce Gabbana with Elton John. They quarrel about this. In Italy, also gay people attack gay people. It's strange. But I like gay people. I'm not gay, but I like gay people. A lot of friends of mine are gay. I support them. I invite them to multiply, to become more and more. But reason, the world would be better. Second reason is the matter of statistic. The more they are, the more pussy is available for us. So became more and more. That's a statistic. My girl dumped me. This is the difference between England and Italy. When I say in Italy, my girl dumped me, silence. Nobody cared. There's some person who said, oh, give me her telephone number. No more. You take care of her. She was so stupid. No, she was incredible because she was able to make me extremely sad and extremely happy at the same time with the same and only one sentence. Darling, you know, you have it much bigger than all your friends. She was very beautiful because she took part, she participated to the Miss World contest, you know, the beauty contest. But I wonder, I ask myself, why Miss World, or why Miss Universe should be better than Miss World? For what? Okay, this is what I wonder, but it's not a problem for you. Okay. Some alien. And so, Italy, I could say about Italy this, there is a lot of stereotype about Italian, German, French, but in Italy we said that Scotsmen there is a typical stereotype, they are stingy, Scottish. I don't know if it's true, but we say this in Italy. How Scottish people take Viagra? I'll quit here because the other stereotype is that Scotsmen are aggressive, so I stop here. Thank you.